I'm going to show you a tool you can use to create a video that has an avatar speaking with your voice. And it lets them choose from dozens of avatars, and then it lets them record their voice, and the avatar speaks what they said. Adobe Express Animate. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in if you want to download the video. Go ahead and click Continue with Google. Once you're there, you'll have lots of characters to choose from. You can also select a background or upload a background image that you've got. You can place your avatar at various locations inside the background. If you have an audio file that you've already created, you can add that or just click record. Now you've got up to 2 minutes to speak your message. It's best to talk at a medium pace and make sure that you enunciate and speak clearly. If you make mistakes, you'll have to use a different editor if you want to cut mistakes out of the middle of your speech. You can trim things from the beginning or from the end, but you can't take mistakes out of the middle in this platform. You would need to use a different tool. You can pause it to calm down and collect yourself, and then when you're ready to resume, click resume. And then you can resume your recording. When you are done, click done. It takes a little bit of time to process and upload the media. Now that it is processed, you can see how to trim from the beginning or the end of the video. But remember, you can't take anything out of the middle part without using a different tool. Once you're satisfied, if you want, you could go back to editing. But once you're satisfied, click download, and it will take another minute or so to download your video. If you're not sure where your downloads go, click Show in Folder. And it looks like they choose the name for the avatar and add that to Adobe Express. And it is an MP4 video file. And that's how you can use Adobe Express Animate to record your audio with a video avatar.